Hi everyone, and welcome to another 30-day coloring video. Today I am coloring a castle because we always, or I at least always concentrate on all of those kind of focal characters, the adorable little animals and the poor little kind of background images that are meant to help you build a scene have a tendency to be a little bit forgotten. So now when I saw this castle, I know that I want to color it because that is going to go fast and it's going to be fun. So when I colored it, I kind of thought about having the shadowing or the light source sort of from the front, because I so often take it either from one of the sides. So I choose to kind of make it from the front. Making very simple shading using my N grays, and I'm kind of just shading the bottom of each tier to make that just a slightly little darker than the upper parts of the castle, and that way kind of making it look like the light is shining more from above, from the front, but still above. And I'm just using 3 colors, and I have sort of mostly been using 3 colors throughout this whole 30-day challenge, because I have a tendency to use a lot of colors when they're not really needed. For small images like these, they're definitely not needed. I'm going in with 3 colors in this kind of whole windows, and I don't need it because, as you see, I don't leave that much of a light corner for those windows, so I could just have filled it with the when to as I was doing it. For all of the little kind of tower tops, I'm envisioning that they are standing out a little bit from the from our towers, and probably should have put a shadow underneath them, but I kind of like just having the shadow on it to make it a little bit dimensional. I'm not after being realistic, I'm just after giving some illusion of dimension throughout the castle. Also, I'm taking it very easy with all of the colors and all of the shading in this, because usually when you use a smaller image like this in any kind of scene, especially with the size of how the unicorns is, you kind of want to give the castle much less dimension and much less contrast, because it will as it is smaller, you want to think about it actually being further away, and things that are further away have a tendency to look a little bit lighter, don't have as much details, and if you put them really far away, they will also be more grey than the things that are closer, or more desaturated, not having as much color as the things that are more forward. But yeah, that was my coloring of my little castle. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you like it, hit that like button. It means a lot to me. All the supplies are listed in the description down below. And thank you again, and bye!